Yes, today we are going to do some division with the STEM game. I see you have taken out the division grids. Would you like to choose one of it? You'd like to choose the first one? Sure. Okay. And since this is the division, we are going to write this one on the grid in a slightly different way. Watch me carefully. For the dividend of 9,507 we write it over here on the grid. 9,507 Yes, and for this divisor, number 3, we write it where? Yes, we write it here. 3. So, would you like to read this? When we have a dividend of 9,507 and we divide it with a divisor of 3, what would be our quotient? Okay, let's figure this out. You want to tell the story? Yes. Right, once upon a time you have how many friends? Yes, you have 3 friends. 1 friend, 2 friend, and 3 friend. And each of them would like to have the same amount. And what is the amount that they would like to divide among themselves? Yes, it's 9,507 Can you take out the number from the STEM game 9,507 and lay it out right here? Yes, you have laid out all the numbers. Now let us divide equally among them. What would you like to do? Would you like to have some space? Okay. Do you remember how to do the division? Do you start with the units first, or do you start with the thousands first? Yes, you start with the thousands first. Let's go. 1 for you, 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 1 for you. Is that all equal? Let's continue. 1 for you, 1 for you, 1 for you. Oh, we have 200 left. What can we do? Yes, we can exchange these 200 for tens. How many tens? Yes, 20 tens. 2 tens. Yes, you have taken out all these tens. Now let's put them together and divide them as best as we can among our 3 friends. 1 for you, 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 1 for you. Oh, we finished the tens. And now let us divide the units. Is there enough to divide among 3 of them? No, we only have 2 left. We don't have enough. So these are the remainder. Can you count and see if each of them have the same. The blue friend has 3,100 and 110, 210, 310, 410, 510, 610, 710, 810, 910. This red bear has 3,100 and 110, 210, 310, 410, 510, 610, 710, 810, 910. And this yellow friend has 3,100 and 110, 210, 310, 410, 510, 610, 710, 810, 910. And we have a remainder of 2. Let us now write down what each of them has gotten. 3,100 and 9/10. And what's the remainder? Yes, the remainder, we'll write it over here. The remainder is 2. The remainder of 2. Would you like to know if this is the same answer as what we have on the equation card? Let's flip it around. Yes, it's 3,109/10 with a remainder of 2. We did it. Haha. You can rub this off and return all these stamps back to the stamp card and take the next card. Oh, you want to write on your maths paper? Right. This is how we write it on the maths paper. Watch me carefully. When you have a dividend of 9,507 and 2, and you divide it with a divisor of 3, and this is how we draw the box. Can you see? We get a product of 3,109/10 with a remainder of 2. Alright, and you can fill this up with as many division problems as you can, and when you finish with this, put it in your file.